Want to use your Vizio Smart TV without the remote as a display of your other HDMI devices? Here's how you can change your Vizio TV's inputs and power it on or off without the remote. First of all, you need to find where the power button is on your Vizio TV. In most of the models, it will be at the bottom panel, either at the left or right side, or in the middle. The button may seem flat, so just feel for a bump and try pressing it. And after you've found the power button, short press on it, and this will open the input menu on the left. Now you'll need to move quickly or your TV will turn off. And to switch between all your inputs, just keep pressing the power button until your desired one is highlighted, then let go, and it will be automatically selected. You can also go back to the home screen by selecting Vizio Home. Now if you want to turn off your TV, simply press the power button and release, and the turn off option will be selected. To turn your TV back on, press the power button once again. And that's all there is to it. But as you can see here, the options are very limited, and you don't even have volume control. So it's only suitable if you just want to use your external device. But to get the full control of your Vizio TV, along with these basic features, you can use your smartphone as your Vizio TV remote. And if you want help with that, click on this video for the short and easy guide. Hope this helped. I'll see you around.